Hey Karen, I'd like you to help me with this problem, please. So, what do you want to do first?
Cover the 2.
Yes.
And put 2 X's.
Uh-huh.
Plus a 1.
All right, very good. So first we set up what's inside the parentheses, and now?
Uncover and we time
Uncover
it.
the 2.
So this becomes a 2. And this 2 more.
Okay, so you've now doubled what was inside the parentheses, so you end up with 4x's plus 2. And what do you have on this side?
3x plus 7.
Good. Wonderful. Any legal moves you can perform?
3x is minus 3x is.
Okay.
So this equals 5.
X equals 5. Okay, very good. Would you write down the answer for x equals 5, please? Okay, great. Now, in order to do the check, would you set up the problem one more time to see if the check works out? Okay, so it looks like you're trying to evaluate each side. Okay.
This is 22 and this is 22.
5, 10, 15, and 7 is 22. So the check is 22 equals 22. Okay, very nice. Very nice. So you've just solved this equation. Very nice. Congratulations.